You might be asking yourself, after hearing all of that, why Claude Davis, who says he was there when Andrea died and helped to bury her, would not be charged in this case now. News Channel 5's Ashley Walters is live at the Circuit Court in Stewart.
Prosecutors say that Claude Davis will never be seen in court again for murder or kidnapping charges in the Andrea Parsons case again. No evidence, not even a confession, can convict him. November 16, 1993, Claude Davis was arrested for false imprisonment charges stemming from the disappearance of Andrea Parsons, but those charges were dismissed.
Anything stemming from that crime cannot be prosecuted.
Ellen Roberts is a former prosecutor. She explains it's called double jeopardy.
That speedy trial starts ticking the minute they're in custody.
And the clock ticked until 6 months later. Davis was not prosecuted for alleged crimes against Andrea Parsons. Chief Assistant State Attorney Tom Bakadal says there was insufficient evidence. In other words, by May 24, 1994, time had run out on getting the necessary evidence and the charges were dropped.
Something that, as a prosecutor, you abide by that strictly. And unfortunately, there are cases that, do slip through the cracks and aren't prosecuted. And it's a tragedy, a horrible tragedy, but there's absolutely nothing that can be done about it.
The Martin County State Attorney's Office says if Davis were to give false testimony all these years later in court, it could fall outside that initial episode of murder, so he could be charged, but again, not in murder or kidnapping. Live here in Stewart, Ashley Walters, WPTV News Channel 5.